Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't
Què passa, família? Bueno, això ja està en marxa, Ja fa una estoneta que hem deixat enrere l'Ibonet de Corones i ja mateix arribem a l'Ibon inferior. Si trobem un bon bivac i aquí ja es comença a respirar un bon ambient. Ja es veuen siluetes que sobrepassen els 3.000 metres, o sigui que ja estem on volíem.
she don't feel the same about us in her bones. Seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone.
Bueno, he trobat un bon lloc per dormir i com que ja tinc gana m'estic preparant uns espaguetis i de mentre aquests fruits secs ja passant l'estona. Vaig ensenyar com és això. I allà pujarem demà, perquè hi ha canal i el primer 3.000 estic aquí mateix. Pinta fàcil. Ui, m'ha remenat. Hosti tu, s'ha caigut una mosca. Mosca puta. Surt d'aquí.
The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between.
Quina mandra. Mataria per un cafè.
The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I take her home, I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope, I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. I know that in the morning now, I see us in the light upon the hill. Although I am broken, my heart is untamed still. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. Fire beneath my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on so tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home, I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope, I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. And I've been waiting for this time to come around, but baby, running after you is like chasing the
Neto!
clouds.
Això que tinc aquí darrere ja és la creu de la Neto, al cim del Pirineu. És la segona vegada que estic aquí, la primera va ser el meu segon 3.000 i ara crec que em porto 150, així que li vull dedicar a l'Emilio i a la Bego, que m'han cuidat a la Nora. Així que cap a dalt, ja estem a dalt. Cresta de Llosàs. Tachada.
The story of my life, I give her all. I spend her love until she's broken.